Okay, a couple of days ago, we posted a video of a tour of the Secrets Capri, and I realized that we didn't have any coverage of the suites. And the suites are really quite nice. So here's a tour of the suites. As you come in, nice, beautiful four-poster bed, nice furniture in the rooms, big TV, you'd expect that, great big mirror for getting ready. I love this, where these shades open up to let the direct sunlight into the bathroom. We had what is officially an ocean that has a lot of go really right out onto the balcony and crane your head around. That's the low jungle, which is quite beautiful, but there's the ocean. So technically we have an ocean view. Incredible thing about this hotel is all the little extras you get in the bathroom: sunscreen, shaving cream, toothpaste, a toothbrush, a razor, that's shaving cream. It was really quite amazing. Shoe shine thing, you name it. Anyways, really nice selection of bathroom items. Jetted tub, and there's those shades from the other side. The bathrooms were quite nice. I think you officially, this is a shower with water closet, I think is the official description beside it. Storage room, so I got to show you that. So here are the closet space with plenty of room and a safe built in. So this is the room at the Secrets Capri, and I hope you check this resort out.